Assalamu alaikum students, this is Nosheen and today we are going to discuss a very important topic called account writing. So let's move on to the definition of it. Okay, an account can have personal feelings. The candidate may therefore choose emotive language and sensational words and phrases as far as those assist in providing relevant information to the recipient. Remember, here the purpose is to inform, not to entertain. So, in short, an account writing is a personal feeling which gives some kind of information to the other person. Like accounts must direct the reader in the right order as what and how things had exactly happened. Unlike other reports, the first paragraph must necessarily answer the questions of what, where, and when, followed by the explanation about the incident. So accounts basically show the about the incidents, tells us about the incidents, that how they happened, where they happened, what happened, and when happened. Okay, like for example, it is like the showing of details, giving the details to the other person. And whenever we write something to inform others, to give the details, that is called account writing. Okay, an account may or may not have any subject line at all. To begin with, a date written on the top would do as well. This could also be the procedure of an account writing, like there would be any subject on the top, or there would not be a subject. It could be started with the date only on the top. There are lots of procedures of writing account, and we'll be discussing that in this video. Okay, let's start with the report writing. A report is a prepared account of what happened about a particular event, presented in formal and organized form backed with some evidence. It may be a single report or a series of them. So, whenever we are asked to write an account, and that account would be of any report. Okay, this would be a report writing in the category of account writing. So what we have to do is we have to mention all of the things which were happened, and we have to follow the same format, which would be like informal or formal, and the procedure should be the same, and the report could be the single one, or there should be the series of it. Let's have a look on some examples. Whenever we write a report, we should be giving these answers in report. Let's suppose you are telling something to someone. Obviously there should be questions in the mind of other person, so you will be already answering the questions of those answers of those questions which would be coming in the mind of the other person. So for example, if you're writing about any report, so you need to tell that what happened, why happened, how happened, when happened, who did this, and where it is happened. Okay, so you need to cover all these things in while writing the report. You can see the format over here. You can write the report in this way, like you should be writing the heading on the top, and then line by line means over subject over here. Okay, then place, month, and date, then introduction, that summary, that what happened, like why happened, when happened, what happened, where happened. Okay, and account of event, that what kind of event was there, what kind of you can see situation was there. Okay, in detail. And then in the conclusion should be like your personal opinion, that what should other person do, what kind of action he has to take. You can see over here there is a kind of report. There is a chapter in grade 3. The name of the chapter is pothole. So I have made the account. In that chapter, the girl was writing a report to the municipal committee officer about the potholes. So I have used the same procedure of writing report. So this is the topic. You need to start from here. Okay, street 4. Let's suppose you need to write the address over here, then the date over here, then the to whom you are writing the report. Then you have to start with the respect, and then you have to tell the whole summary, that why you are writing and what's your opinion and everything, and in the end you should thank the person, and then you should write your name over here. Okay. Informational report. Let's suppose if you are that was the complaint report and this is the informational report. If you want to write any kind of report to introduce something, to introduce any issue, so you need to use, you can use this format as well. Means you have a lot of formats and you can use any of them which you find it easier for you. Okay. So whenever you start this, you need to introduce or give the background of the issue or the background of something. Then you need to write over here facts and findings, that what you can say, the whole introduction of the topic, the whole thing you want to tell. And the summary should be about your opinion about the situation. Okay. And this is also a kind of account writing, but this is kind of personal narrative. It's like an informal letter as well, like a postcard, like the postcard we used to write when we were young to our friends, about our vacations, about anything happened with us. So you can use this kind of procedure as well. Like let's suppose event, that what was the event means, if let's suppose if I'm writing the account to my friend and I'm telling her about the you can say the experience of going to Murray with my friends. So I would be writing the name of the event over here. Then I'll be telling that when did this happen, then where we have gone, then the details of everything, and then how it ended, that where we ended up. Okay. So this is kind of personal narrative. Hope you understood the account writing, and the category of it is the narrative writing and the report writing. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.